Wonderful 6-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage home plus bonus space in Whitehouse schools with new roof. New carpet and fresh paint throughout give this over 3,000 square foot home a new home feel. Open floor plan and soaring ceilings just add to the appeal of this home. The kitchen is equipped with black stainless appliances, granite countertops, pantry, island with breakfast bar and breakfast room, ample workspace, and is open to the generous family room with gas fireplace. The large formal dining room just adds to the ease of entertaining or hosting family gatherings. The split master suite, with ensuite bath, offers double sinks, separate tub and shower, and large walk-in closet, and the utility room is conveniently located close by. The downstairs space is completed with a 6th bedroom, currently used as an office, and a half bath. Upstairs are 4 guest rooms, 2 full baths, and a fabulous flex space perfect for a second living area, playroom, exercise area. The options are limitless. Great storage throughout. Plus, a covered back patio to enjoy the nice sized, fenced backyard. Other 2020 updates include new stove and dishwasher, kitchen faucet, and some blinds. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.